If you've noticed your retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, chatbot slowing down, you're not alone. Let's explore why and how to fix it. If your RAG chatbot is slow, the bottleneck is usually retrieval. The large language model, or LLM, can only generate an answer after the system finds the right context. The core issue boils down to retrieval latency. How quickly can your system pull relevant information from your knowledge base? RAG is a two-step process. First, retrieve the best chunks of context from your knowledge base, then generate an answer using those chunks and the LLM. The problem often starts with data growth. As your knowledge base expands, the task of retrieval becomes much more complex. What felt instant when you had 10,000 data chunks can slow down badly once you hit 1 million. Retrieval can turn into a massive search problem, if not managed correctly. RAG relies on embeddings, which are numerical vectors that represent meaning. Similar sentences or concepts land close together in this high-dimensional vector space. The retrieval job is to embed the user's question, then find the nearest neighbors or the most similar vectors to return the top results for context. The scalable solution to this retrieval bottleneck lies in specialized technology, the vector database. A vector database stores these embeddings and, critically, builds an index. This index ensures that your search doesn't have to check every single vector every time. Vector databases typically use approximate nearest neighbor, or ANN. Instead of an exact search, ANN finds a very close best guess much faster, trading a tiny bit of accuracy for massive speed gains at scale. Common indexes you'll encounter include HNSW, which uses a multi-layer graph search, IVF, which narrows the search to relevant clusters, and PQ, which compresses vectors to speed up distance checks. Beyond just similarity, real-world RAG applications demand more advanced retrieval capabilities like filtering. Real applications need filtering, such as retrieving only data permitted for this specific user, team, or region. This uses metadata tags associated with the vectors. Vector databases combine similarity search with this metadata filtering, essentially providing a where clause to ensure results are both relevant and permitted. By understanding the retrieval bottleneck and leveraging a vector database, you can significantly improve your RAG chatbot's performance. Top tools in this space include Pinecone, a fully managed vector database, Weaviate, known for strong HNSW indexing, and Milvus, a popular open-source option supporting multiple index types. To speed up your RAG system, chunk cleanly, embed once, store in a vector DB, use an ANN index, and filter early. That's how you ensure fast retrieval and, ultimately, deliver better answers.